I'm always leery with benchmarks in that regard, but at the same time, I think it gives you something to at least start with.
Well, and that's actually one of the reasons why when we're going through the process of building the strategy for our report last year, there are a lot of my companies who want to know what is a good MQL to opportunity conversion rate, or recently hearing a lot of questions around what is a good cost per opportunity benchmark. And honestly, it might feel like a cop-out, but the website example that you just gave is a perfect reason why, to back up my stance on it, is I didn't want to go and benchmark a bunch of performance KPIs for the very reason that you kind of pointed out, that it's so wildly different company to company, depending on what their selling motion is, what their ACV is, how efficient is their marketing engine today, how efficient, how tightly aligned are their marketing and sales organizations. There are so many variables that go into what those conversion rates look like from stage to stage of a lead or through to an opportunity, that I think it's really hard to set that bar based on what a bunch of other companies are saying they're doing, when really your time is better spent in digging into your own data. Number one, if you're not measuring it today, which actually a surprising number of companies don't have this data at their fingertips and they're not measuring it effectively. So let's get the processes in place and the systems in place to be able to measure each of these different stage to stage conversion rates. And then to your point, let's go and model out, if today we're sitting at 1%, what would happen to our numbers if we could increase it to 3%? And that might be better than saying, wow, we're way below the 10% benchmark. Well, does it even matter? If you're sitting at 1% today, I don't think it's realistic for you to try to get to 10% tomorrow.